The mind is the master of the body. Yes, even though we use only about 10% of it. But did you know that even though the mind is the master of the body, you are the one having complete control over it? It is your choice whether you want to control it or be a slave to it. You control your mind, but your mind regulates your words and actions. What you think and believe determines your future. You have already partially achieved most of your goals once you have thought of yourself achieving them mentally. It cannot be put into a more simpler way. Your thoughts become your words, and your words become your actions. Your goal is like a seed which must be planted firmly into your mind and must be nurtured. Your goals will only unfold before your eyes if you believe in them without any doubts in your mind. This is because success begins in the fellow's will. It is all in the state of mind. What you think is what you attract towards yourself. If you think negative, you will attract negativity. But if you think positive, you will attract positivity. People blame circumstances for what they become. But there are no circumstances. It's only what we bring upon ourselves by what we think. We humans are like boats, sailing with no destination in mind. We need to have a goal in mind to work towards. Why do you think successful people continue to remain successful? This is because they have a goal in mind, a target to work towards. The key to success is in first understanding what it is. Success is a feeling attained by a person who is doing a job deliberately because he wanted to do it. The strangest secret in the world is that there is no secret to success. Just like in the movie Kung Fu Panda, right? There is no secret ingredient. It is only you believing that there is one which makes it even more amazing. And that is why very few people really understand it. We become what we think. And that is the scary deciding factor of life. Because the same secret, rather the same recipe for success, is the very same one for failure. This is because both solely depend upon what you think you will become. If you think you will succeed, there is nothing holding you back from success. But if you believe you will fail, there is nothing that can save you from the inevitable failure that you have brought upon yourself. And this is why we must be very, very careful of what we think. What does my life revolve around? What is the center of my life, you may ask? And what should be the center of my life? To know the answer to these questions, do check out my next YouTube video. This is Keegan Menezes, signing off.